So this is a flexible bending machine. This one uses a numerical control system from Neural. The main standard of this equipment is 11 axis. This equipment adopts the suction cup feeding method. So we go through this device. That's circular arc processing and sheet metal batch processing. More energy efficient, quick and convenient. First we turn this switch on, open. Then the system will notify to get power. We don't have to participate here. It will automatically open the app. After seeing this interface, this is where we come in. Programming interface for bending center.